Today, I'm gonna show you the secret to professional caulking. It's as easy as pie once you know this little trick. So, what do you need? A caulk gun, silicone caulk, degreaser, water and soap, a utility knife, moist baby wipes. Don't have those? Any moist wipes will do the job. Also, grab some kitchen paper and a caulking spatula. But guess what? We won't be needing that spatula today. I've got something better in mind. Your very own thumb. Add the degreaser to the kitchen paper. In this case, I'm using ammonia. Make sure to degrease and clean the corners properly. Cut the caulk tube at a 45-degree angle. If you can't achieve a smooth finish, you can sand it flat with sandpaper. Ready to go? Let's get started. Take the angled side of the caulk tip and press it into the corner, squeezing the caulk out. Feeling a little shaky? No worries. We'll smooth out that caulk line perfectly in a moment. Just pay attention because here's the trick that'll make the caulk adhere strongly. Wet your finger and gently press it onto the caulk to achieve optimal adhesion. Now, spray the caulk with water and soap. Wet your thumbnail and press it onto a 45-degree corner, making sure both tile edges are touched by your nail. Now, pull smoothly towards you in one fluid motion. Once you've wet the caulk, it won't stick where it shouldn't. Use the palm of your finger to create a nice, even finish. Let the caulk dry for 24 hours, and then you're ready to take a shower.